Hello everyone, today we will be installing perrin shifter stopper. Apparently I ordered the wrong model. You're supposed to get, if you have the STI short shifter, you're supposed to get the model number PSP-INR-018. I got the wrong one. It's like 19 or something. Make sure if you have the short shifter, you get the 018, not the 019. The 019 is for the regular non-short shifter. So take off your shift knob, take off whatever accessory you have on your shifter for some reason, and then just go to town. Make sure you have a good grip. Open the sides, open. Then this will probably just come with, yep, that comes with. Don't you worry, you just pull it off, there it goes, and there you have it. Gives instructions. You should probably follow the instructions. Don't be like, oh, I know what I'm doing. Well, you probably do. But this ain't IKEA. This perrin. Once you get your tools out, you can just shift into gear. Squeeze the gear. Fits. Then you untighten. I don't know if you're seeing this, but it's 2 Allen bolts. They give you it in the packaging with your shift stop because they're nice like that, I guess. You just, oh, there's another BMW. Yeah, basically these bolts will be on 2 ends where your shifter. This is basically the damage that happened because I ordered the wrong part. Yeah, don't do that. Make sure you have, oh my gosh, you have the right part. Now, they say this one is the short shifter version, and they say this is the, yeah, I definitely see the difference. There is a big difference. So do keep that in mind. That goes in like that, but how do these go in? Under and over. I have lost so many bolts, so please do be careful when you're installing these so you don't lose anything and it doesn't fall into a place that like might not let you shift anymore. That would be a huge problem. And just no. That was a Hellcat or an SRT of some sort. These people do know how to like their cars. Definitely like their cars. Once you secure one, you can secure the other. Remember, you have your Allen key that they provided you. You just turn a little, that way they lock in place. And then there's some cat fur. I'm allergic to cats or kittens, whatever. Dandruff. I'm allergic to their dandruff. Alright, but when installing this, let me just, no, get off. You gotta make sure that you still can go in reverse when you're pulling up. I should probably use my clutch. And if it lays normal, like it's like this, you're not doing a good job. Is in the right spot. Make sure you give yourself some slop just in case for first and second. Just in case, you know. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That looks about right. Make sure everything lines up correctly so you don't screw yourself. But don't over tighten it yet. You got double check, triple check, even a quadruple check, you know? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Reverse. Looks like I over tightened this one. Yeah, while I'm installing this, you guys ever drive your Subaru WRXs, or I guess any other Subaru, and when you're driving over a speed bump or a bump itself, or like broken road, and you're rolling up your window ever like hard reset itself for like 2 seconds and it only can roll down? That's happening to me every single time I drive now. And I don't know if it's because of Subaru. A lot of wiggle still. Let's just scooch it there. See how hard that goes. Then you align that side. Make sure you tighten it after you finalized where you want to put everything in, but don't make sure it's super tight like what I did, because it's not fun. But do make sure it's nicely secured, and I would say a rule of thumb, every month or so, make sure that it's still in place and you're not screwing yourself, you know? No one likes that. No one likes to screw themselves. Unless you do, and then I feel either sorry or concerned about your well-being. Alright, so looks like everything's in. I put in the washers, the hex bolts, or whatever they're called, socket caps, screws, M616 with M6 SS washers, and an M5 hex key, and the short shift stop. So let's go through the gears. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Last but not least, 7, which is reverse. And I'm pretty sure that's snugged in. That's how I like it. Alright, I'm just gonna go one more time. See that if you have a ratchet too, that's probably easier on yourself. Don't mind me just adjusting it so many times and me saying, don't over adjust. Be nice to yourself. So when you made sure that everything's back in place, put your tools back in the bag or somewhere where you could find it, which is my armrest location. Put your cover back on. Here's my wireless charger, or wireless, not charger, Android Auto. Yeah. Ugh. Make sure it just pops, pop. pop, pop, pop. Then right under. There you go. Looks like new. And then put your accessories back on. Well, my little accessory just popped itself right off. Come on, get on, get on. And you just got a piece of resistance. Sorry. Make sure that's back snug. Oh yeah, that's good. Well, folks, remember, don't get this one. Do not get this one if you are having a short shifter of any kind, and then get the one that's supposed to be for the short shifter, which is 018, not the 019 like this one. Well, that's all, folks. I hope you enjoy, and I'll catch you when I do another modification. Yeah, have a good day. Bye bye.